In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a gig on Fiverr. Pausing a gig temporarily removes it from search and stops new orders, while keeping your description, reviews, and performance history intact. It's ideal when you're on vacation, fully booked, or updating your offer and need a short breather without losing your hard-earned progress. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr, then press Enter. In the results, click the official Fiverr website to head to the platform. You'll need to be signed in to your seller account to access your dashboard. If you don't see seller options later, check that you're logged in. Once you're on Fiverr, look to the top navigation and open the My Business menu. This is the hub for your orders, earnings, and gig management. From there, click Gigs to view the list of your offerings. You'll see each gig with its title, thumbnail, pricing, and status indicators. Tabs may separate active, paused, and draft items, but the All view shows everything at once. Next, choose the gig you want to pause. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one. Verify the thumbnail and title, especially if you have similar services. On the right side of that gigs row, find the small drop-down menu. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as 3 dots or a small arrow. If you don't see it, try widening your window or hovering over the row. Click that drop-down to reveal management options, and then click Pause. Fiverr may prompt you to confirm. After pausing, the gig's status updates, it stops appearing in search results, and new buyers won't be able to place orders from it. Any existing orders continue as normal, so keep delivering on time. All your content, packages, and extras remain saved, ready for when you want the gig visible again. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you're pausing because of workload, consider planning around delivery schedules, so nothing overlaps. Pausing doesn't change due dates on active orders. Interface labels can shift over time, but the path is the same. Reach the gigs page, locate the specific gig, open the menu on the right, and choose Pause. It can take a few minutes for the change to propagate across search. To recap in one breath, go to Google, type Fiverr, open the official site, click My Business, select Gigs, pick your gig, open the drop-down on the right, and click Pause. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep your gigs organized so you instantly know what's active and what's on hold. See you in the next tutorial.